Hello everyone, my name is Magdy from Egypt. I'm the head of collaborators of Honors International. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to write a cover letter for journal article submission. First, let's know what is a cover letter. The cover letter is a formal way to communicate with journal editors and editorial staff during the manuscript submission process. So, what is its importance? It's a great opportunity to highlight to the journal editor what makes your research new and important. Also, the cover letter should explain why your work is perfect for their journal and why it will be of interest to the journal's readers. Let me tell you some tips before writing your cover letter. First, before you start to write, please check the instruction for authors of your chosen journal, as not all journals will require one. Second, you should also check the instruction for authors for any journal specific information on what to include. This may include a list of relevant articles written by you or your co-authors that have been or are currently being considered for publication in other journals. So, what should cover letter include? These are key points to include in your cover letter. Editor's name. You can usually find this one on the journal. Name of the journal you are submitting to. Your manuscript's title. Submission date. Article type. Either review, cross-sectional case study, etc. Statement that your paper has not been previously published and is not currently under consideration by another journal. Brief description of the research you are reporting in your paper, why it's important and why you think the readers of the journal would be interested in it. Contact information for you and any co-authors. Confirmation that you have no competing interests to disclose. You must know that all cover letters should contain these sentences. First sentence, we confirm that this manuscript has not been published elsewhere and is not under consideration by another journal. Second sentence, all authors have approved the manuscript and agree with its submission to, and then you insert the name of the target journal. And now we will see an example of cover letter submitted to a journal, and we will highlight the key points included in this cover letter. Please look at the example while following the points. First, address the editor by their name if you know it. Second, include your manuscript's title and the name of the journal. If you notice, he already did this in the example. Third, state that your paper has not been published or is not under consideration by another journal. Fourth, briefly describe your research, why it's important, why your readers find it interesting. Fifth, declare any conflicts of interest or confirm there are none. 6. Include contact information for yourself and any co-authors. What should be avoided in cover letter? These are things to avoid while writing your cover letter. Don't copy your abstract into your cover letter. Instead of that, explain in your own words the significance of the work, the problems that's being addressed, and why the manuscript belongs in this journal. Don't use too much jargon or too many acronyms. Keep your language straightforward and easy to read. Avoid too much detail. Keep your cover letter to a maximum of 1 page as an introduction and a brief overview. Avoid any spelling and grammar errors and ensure your letter is thoroughly proofed before submitting. This is a quick checklist before submitting your cover letter. Set the font to Arial or Times New Roman, size 12 point. Single space all text. Use one line space between body paragraphs. Don't indent paragraphs. Keep all text left justified. Use spelling and grammar check software. If needed, use professional proofreading and editing services. Double check the editor's name. Call the journal to confirm if necessary. For more information, please check these references. Now, we are coming to the end of our lecture. I hope everything was clear and you enjoyed it. This is my contact info, and these are our social media accounts. You can follow us to know the latest updates. Thank you.